be talking about order of operations and how you can use it to simplify expressions. First thing we want to talk about is why it's important to learn the order of operations. Without knowing the order of operations, it's possible for two people to end up with two completely different answers to the same equation. As you can see from the two equations on the screen, the person on the left decided to add first and then multiply, where the person on the right multiplied first and then added. It's very important that you know the correct order of operations so that everyone can get to the same correct answer. The way that we can ensure that we get the right answer each time is by following the acronym PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, MD stands for multiplication and division, and the AS stands for addition and subtraction. It's important to note that the multiplication and division are both the same color, and addition and subtraction are both the same color. The reason they are that is because they're equal in rank. So you do not do one above the other, you simply just work from left to right. First one we'll talk about is parentheses. That's the P in PEMDAS. Parentheses consists of any grouping symbol, such as the ones you see on the screen. If there are multiple parentheses in your expression, simply take the first one that occurs from left to right. Sometimes you will see parentheses within parentheses, and if that's the case, you just work from the innermost parentheses on outward. The next piece for PEMDAS is exponents. Exponents consist of a number raised to a power. It's important to note that with exponents, it is the number multiplied by itself as many times as the exponent indicates. So for instance, 3 to the 5th power is 3 times itself 5 times. As is the case with most of these steps in the order of operations, if there are multiple exponents in the expression, you simply work from the left to the right. Multiplication and division. Again, they are equal in rank. So you just start from the leftmost multiplication or division piece and start working to the right. In the case of the example on the screen, you would do the 8 times 2 first, then do the 10 divided by 5, and then finally do the 3 times 4. Addition subtraction works much the same way as multiplication division. They are again equal in rank, so you just start with the leftmost addition or subtraction problem and start working to your right. For the example on the screen, we take the 16 plus 3 and get 19. Then we start working to our right. 19 minus 2 equals 17. Then 17 plus 6 equals 23. And finally, 23 minus 12 gives you 11. Here are two problems for you to try using the order of operations. Go ahead and pause the video until you have a chance to complete these practice problems. The next screen will show the solutions. As you can see from these solutions, it is important that you follow the order of operations in order to get to the correct answers. For Monday, we want you to use the order of operations to get the answers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 using the numbers 1, 2, and 4. So again, you're going to use just the numbers 1, 2, and 4. You can add them, subtract them, multiply them, divide them, use parentheses and exponents to help you get to each of the solutions. But you should have 10 different equations using just those 3 numbers that get you to those solutions of 1 through 10. Be one of the first 5 students to come in each period and show it to Mr. Braychek, and we will give you some candy.